Hello friends, welcome to Sam Data Services. At Sam Data Services, we develop software utilities required for various data entry automations. In this video, we will show you working demo of Focus Autotyper 3.0 and its new features. To use Autotyper, first you need to convert your images into text. Then load the text file into Focus Autotyper. And Focus Autotyper will type the given input text into any copy-paste disabled client notepad application. In this way, you can automate your typing using Focus Autotyper. Focus Autotyper automates typing process for your data entry job. It can be used to auto-type text to any copy-paste disabled notepad application. It uses keyboard keystrokes just like manual typing. Text can be loaded from Notepad or Word file. The new features of Focus Autotyper 3.0 are as follows. Updated user interface, allowing multiple files and folders drag and drop, easy file selection from drop-down, random backspace frequency selection, enable voice message, hide in taskbar option, show or hide timer on focus delay. These are the screenshots of Focus Autotyper 3.0. The options are moved to Settings tab. You can see here. This is the full screen of Focus Autotyper. Now we will see the working demo. I am running Focus Autotyper. So you can see the two options, browse file and browse folder. So once you select the browse folder, you can also select or deselect include subfolders option. Now I am selecting my folder to load multiple files. See, the files got loaded into the drop down. And the selected file text can be seen here. So I am changing my file. So the text will be changed here. So the text got loaded from the document file. You can see the text here. Now I am selecting Notepad file. This text contains two empty lines. So this can be removed by clicking on Remove Empty Lines button. So the empty lines got removed. We can also remove the extra spaces between the text. We can add the random backspaces using the frequency bar. See, we can increase or decrease the random backspaces. We can also add manual backspaces. So I am selecting the text and clicking on backspace button. Settings menu contains more options like always on top, show timer on focus delay, hide in taskbar, and enable voice message. On selection of enable voice message, Autotyper will give you a voice message on successful completion of typing. This notifies you on typing completion even if you are not watching the screen. Now I am running client application to see how Autotyper works. I am starting my Autotyper. It will start typing in 10 seconds. We have not selected show timer on focus delay. That's why it is not showing any timer here. The auto typing got started. You can see on the screen the Autotyper is typing with a random typing speed and also typing random backspaces. So I am pausing my typing. You can see the message here. So this is the working demo of Focus Autotyper 3.0. User can see the typing progress in progress bar and also the typed text will be highlighted in green color. These are some of our other software products. For more details, visit samdataservices.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.